Hello, my lovely readers. Welcome back. Today we are going to read the amazing Peppa Pig collection. One book from the collection. We already have read a lot of books from this content, but still we have this book to read. We are going to choose a one book from this one. Let me guess, we will choose. What about the blues? There are a lot of blues, so we will give a chance to this blue book. Pam 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 pam. The boat pond. Oh, from the name I can say this will be an interesting story. So let's read. The boat pond. Peppa and George have brought their toy boats to race on the pond. George's boat has to be warmed up. Click, click, click. The ducks come over to see Peppa and George. Hello. Hello, ducks. May we use your pond to sail our boats? Asked Peppa. My boat doesn't wind up, says Peppa, looking for the winder on her boat. Your boat doesn't need winding up, Peppa, says Mommy Pig. It just needs a little help, says Daddy Pig, blowing Peppa's boat along. Here is Peppa's friend Sushi Sheep. Hello, everyone, she cries. I have got my speedboat. It has batteries to make it go. Whoa, here is Danny Dog with Granddad Dog. My granddad made this paddle boat. It's steam powered, says Danny. Rebecca Rabbit arrives with her mommy. I wish I had a boat, she says. I have got an idea, says Daddy Pig, picking up his newspaper. When I was a little piggy, I used to fold newspaper to make paper boats, says Daddy Pig, handing a boat to Rebecca. Quick, 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 quick. Thank you, Mr. Pig, says Rebecca, placing her paper boat on the pond. Now George wants to paper boat too. Daddy Pig makes paper boats for everyone. Let's race, says Mommy Pig. Ready, steady, blow! The boat speeds across the pond. We have a winner, says Daddy Pig. That's George's boat, says Peppa. George is the winner. Hooray! Everybody cheers. I like paper boats the best, cries Peppa. Me too, cry all the children. It's time to go home now. Everybody has had a great day. Bye-bye, ducks, says Peppa. The ducks enjoy the toy boats, but they like having their pond back too. Quack, 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 quack. The end. It's a beautiful and it's an interesting story. Thanks for watching us. I will catch you soon with another beautiful and adventurous story. Till then, bye-bye.
BookTube Kids.